How's it going? It is late. Hi. Hi. I told you my sleep schedule's been really messed up lately. And so I took a nap in the middle of the day. Yay. So I'm awake now. And I figured, well, I should do a night stream. We'll probably go only between like an hour to 2 hours tops. It's not going to be forever. It's already late. Galaxy Gas Shop USA opens up the night with a great super chat. It says, don't let them get you down, Nick. Probation, community service, the defamation suit, Randaz's fees, the divorce, the body cam vid, the hypoxia will all be over soon, brother. Well, good, because that stuff's all negative, and I don't like that. So if it's over, I'm happy. You're a plum, uplifting fellow. Oh, man. Still, I need to find a chiropractor. Something fierce. Because my neck is wrecked these days. Absolutely destroyed. Oh, yeah. So briefly, I guess this morning before I got some I got some negative news about someone who is someone I've always kind of looked up to and I like. And I got some negative news about their health today. And I, it just hit, it hit kind of nasty earlier. So I didn't, when trial ending really early in the day, I was like, you know what, I'm going to just put it in for a little bit and not, do a trial stream because I was in a down mood and it wasn't a good time to be on camera for that. So that's what happened earlier. We'll see how everything goes, but yeah. But I got good news earlier as well. In regards to something that's out there, or that particularly isn't out there. That there's a fat retarded man who claims to be in Siberia, but I think actually lives somewhere in the States now. Who's really, really like desperately trying to get it, but he didn't read the law. And he got bad news today. Well, I got good news, so that was funny. But I'm not going to sit and make like a spectacle of it. Because it's not funny to me. In general, it's not a game. This person has severe mental problems. They're obsessive and they're a toddler when they don't get their way.
Release the body cam footage if Josh can do 10 push-ups.
It'll never come out. Not with that attitude. Not with that energy. Why are you gloating? No one signed off on the request and 2 judges have said to release it. 2 judges have not said to release it. What are you talking about? That being said, someone who filed for the request under a false name and has spent the past several weeks on the internet talking about his actual purpose of the body cam probably shouldn't go before the court and say that it's for news gathering purposes or public interest when it's clearly for private interest, a private interest of conducting a campaign of public shame. Courts don't like it when you lie. I don't know if Josh knows that or not. Like I said, it's it's not a game to me at all. It might be a game to Josh, and that's fine. And he can lie to the courts, and he can, do whatever he's going to do. But I'll just let the process work through it. And, I think the law is on my side, but maybe I'm wrong. We'll find out, I suppose. It would be kind of embarrassing if the first time I ever won in court was against Josh. Right? I mean, I've won in court before, but that's the narrative. So since I lose every case, it'd be really embarrassing if Josh lost against me.
Nick, I have a friend who doesn't believe me that you didn't cheat on your wife. Can you please explain to them how it wasn't cheating?
No, I'm not going to talk about that on this show.